Hi, my name's Carlin, and today on another Fun for One, it's snowing! And watch me swim in the snow. Are you ready? Oh my god! Ah! It's so fun. I want to go up and slide. Hold on to the rail while you go up. Ta-da! Ready for me to slide? Whoa. Ow, that's more like a glide instead of a slide. Ouch. 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 Ah! Come on, let's go. It might take a little while, but you can do it, I know. Just hold on to the rail. And it's just snow, by the way. Wow, it's super cool here. Follow my footprints and my wheel tracks. Follow them. Look, somebody else has been here. Okay, hold on to my sled. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi, Koya.
Stand up, Carlin. Stand up. Let me see how deep it is. Come on. Ready, set. Carlin, look at me. Smile. Ready, set, smile. Smile, don't move. One more time. Wow, look at this. Oh, you're stuck now.
Ouch! Ouch! Finally!
You made it.
Yeah?
Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera 360, okay?
No, Papa!
Not yet, not yet.
This is our car. It's stuck. Oh man! Look! Ouch!
Hold on.
Daddy, look at me!
Okay, I'm turning the.
Dad, come here! Look!
All right, give me 1 minute or 30 seconds.
Come here! Look at me! Hold on.
Ready, set, go.
Oh my god! That wasn't as planned.
Okay, say ciao muna. Ciao.
Ciao muna, bye!